Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then click on Display section and scroll down. Over here, you need to choose Motion Smoothness and tap on the best option for you. I will go with Standard. When you're ready, save your changes by choosing Apply and wait. As you can see, refresh rate of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!